held for murder and more labor.
Today I with
Black Bolt.
And today we have the
What is up, my peeps?
Soda
Doing
challenge, and Black Bolt has a different angle on his channel. So random soda challenge. So we have like butterscotch beer and Shirley Temple. They're not alcoholic. I will start with that.
Yeah.
Okay, and then stay to the end because we have some of this. Some hazardously sour candy, guys. All right, let's go.
Camera angles.
Start out with butterscotch beer.
I feel like I'm gonna fall.
Let me get you some. Smells so good. 3, 2, 1.
It tastes like vanilla. Or butterscotch, actually. I wonder why.
Yeah, I know, right? All these bottles will be added to the set, honestly.
Where are you gonna put them?
I don't know, I'm just hanging from the ceiling.
That would look...
Alright, so next we're gonna do the Dad's Blue Cream Soda. Ready?
This is kind of fast-paced video, but...
Oh, crap.
We're gonna... Okay, well...
There's a bottle opener on the fridge upstairs.
Okay, well...
We'll
be right back.
I got me a Chile bottle opener.
Yeah, we got a bottle opener now.
How does this work?
I think it's like that.
We're so prepared for this video.
I know. Totally gonna have a bottle opener right now. Wait, does this like go under and wedge it or something? I don't know. We might have an issue. There you go. Wait, what? Is that a magnet?
Can you do me a favor, bro? Can you go upstairs and get the other one off the fridge? Just ask my dad where it is.
Wait, what?
Just ask my dad where it is. You can put this back up there. Bro. I won't want to get the next time. Well, hi guys, welcome to podcast with Mick Wizard. Okay. So I'm just gonna cover my ears up because I don't care. Ice cream flavored Grand Bands. Butterscotch beer. Good for your intentions. Are you a wizard dealing with side effects of the dark side? Well, just try some new Flame Cauldron butterscotch beer. One swig of it in, you're holy again. I mean, we're ever not holy. Side effects may include nausea, vomiting, going directly to the dark side. I don't know.
What's that? It?
I had a commercial for this. Thanks, bro.
Sponsor. Okay, and we're back and it opened. Yeah. Nice. Okay, 3,
2.
2, 1.
Well, that's good.
Mmm.
It's like blue raspberry. Ooh, I'm
Yeah.
gonna drink this later. I'm drinking it now, technically.
That is good.
That's real good.
It's like if Fanta was blue.
Wait, imagine like I'm in Call of Duty because you know they have blue stuff in that game. Hi.
Thank Phil.
That's supposed to be a burp. I just spit all over the ground. Time for Shirley Temple.
That was good.
Is this a twist one or?
Nope. Yep. Mmm.
It's sticky on top.
Ew.
Smell it. Did you drink
It
it?
smells interesting. Yeah, I did.
Wait,
It always makes that noise.
guys, listen. One time it has to make that noise.
Yeah, I know. It
Alright,
goes,
3,
it goes
2,
like
1. Ugh, too strong on the grenadine. Ugh. Holy.
I don't like that.
Ugh.
It doesn't taste good.
Like I have Sprite with cherry grenadine, but not that much.
Now I have to drink this. ASMR.
That's good soda.
Oh man.
I still got a little bit more, bro.
Why?
You done? Yeah! Wait, no. ASMR. Clap into the mic.
Wait, no, that's not.
Okay.
That was random. Okay.
Next, Big Red. We already are 6 minutes into this video. Can I?
And he just. Yep. Okay. I am full of soda, and my stomach is probably gonna hate me after this.
Ooh, that sounds like something. Hey, you guys ready?
Yeah, it smells like something. It still didn't do it. Okay.
Cheers. That sounds horrible. That's meh.
It tastes good, but I can tell there's a lot of red dye there.
Made with real sugar, though.
Hey, if it's real and it's sugar.
Okay, so imagine. Oh, I need a revive. That was kind of that was kind of disgusting. We're not. That's Shirley Temple is dead.
Yeah. Stomach.
Drink it.
I'm so full. I have to burp in a second.
ASMR.
Burping it? I don't know if that would be. If that's your. Ooh. Anyway.
Now open it.
It didn't do anything.
Chug, chug. Just drink it all.
Wait. Burp. It didn't come up.
Okay, burp. I mean, drink. I mean,
Why
drink.
is your Rancor eating? Admiral Akbar, no!
That's how Admiral Akbar should have died.
Eaten by a Rancor?
It's way better than died because of a trap. We're so immature.
It came!
And now I'm shorter. Guys, how you doing?
We need help.
Oh!
You good?
Wait.
Oh, oh no.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, this is a random video. Let's go.
That was tasty. Short. Drink it!
Fine.
Chug.
I can't drink anymore. I think I need a drink.
Well, in that case, at the end, we'll both get 2 glasses and mix each soda. Yeah. After. You done?
I'm almost done.
That was good. Alright, on to Noxy. It's distinctively different. That kind of scares me.
So much soda.
Smells literally
It smells like
beer.
root beer.
Or-
Or beer, whatever. It's alcohol free, right?
I mean, it was over with all the soda. That smells like coffee or smoke or something.
Why'd you pour me so much? I can't finish all that.
Oh, oops. You can just pour it back in here.
It won't stop.
Okay.
Okay. 3,
2, 1.
2.
Got a slight burning sensation.
All I taste is root beer, honestly.
I'll just pour this back in here.
Oops.
I'm gonna have to take out the trash after this.
Yeah.
Oh, he drank it all!
Oh, look, dudes, it's empty. It's empty.
Now for Green River. Doesn't say that it's actually soda, but it's Green River. So I might twist off.
Nope, we're just tasting
You ready?
river water right now. Why do you?
Oh, gotcha.
I'm missing a tooth because I lost one a long time ago, and it's not. Whoa! It's not grown back yet.
He has issues.
Yeah, I know. It looks like.
Oh!
Looks like I was punched in the face.
Let me see.
The tooth gone. That's just.
This one is
Oh, it
smoking.
made this noise. Okay, guys, from my perspective, if you're watching,
Oh! That literally smells like swamp water.
ew.
You know what I'm gonna do this one? Watch the eclipse.
You're gonna watch it blind. Let's
3,
do
2,
this.
1. Is that lemonade?
It's like weird ginger ale, like really weird.
And these are all going together in the end.
Oh no.
Oh no, I don't feel so good. How do you drink that?
I'm being puke.
Doctor, enough. It's enough. Honestly, don't know what this one's gonna be.
This bottle is weird compared to the rest of
You ready? You ready?
The chair started tipping back.
Doctor, enough is strong enough.
You good? There we go.
That sounds like crap.
I don't know. It's like my sense of smell is not that good.
Not Zach.
Not Zach.
Obviously, it's not Zach.
No, I said Zat. I'm just kidding. You know.
Pure sugar.
That sizzled.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, you can stop there.
Okay. Cheers.
Wait for it to stop bubbling.
Wait, no. We're like at the end of Call of Duty game. No, it's gulp juice from Fortnite. 3, 2, 1. Disgusting.
Oh, that burns my tongue.
Alright, time for Dr. Grace.
Oh crap. Okay.
Let's see, do you
Give me a
want
sec. Give me a sec.
black cherry, blue raspberry, apple,
It started coming up my throat again.
apple,
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm
or
gonna die.
watermelon. Oh, and if we do this for 15 seconds where it was.
It's probably us.
Do this for 30 seconds where crybaby.
What was that?
We do it for 45 seconds where toxic wannabe and 60 seconds is you want blue raspberry?
Yep.
I'll go black cherry.
Wait.
Oh, that had to be satisfying. Oh, that sounds.
Sounds?
I already made my cheek. I'm getting some ads. You can pick the one you like the best. Just kidding, you can't. 3, 2, 1.
Wait. Okay. I need to lick first. That tastes like really limey. Why? That doesn't even taste blue. Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
It's not even that sour.
Oh, I get you.
Blue raspberry isn't even that sour. That was a bad decision. Why did I chew it?
You said blue raspberry isn't sour?
Not really.
Oh!
It's really good, actually. I like them.
Crap.
You almost dropped it in the trash can.
I spied with my little eye. Okay.
This is so unhealthy. It's not that bad. It kind of does get sour. A little bit, but what you doing?
Hold up to the mic.
It popped out. You chew on it, it gets a little more sour, but not much.
Sounds like 100 times more sour.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. Need to clear my mouth. Honestly, I can't clear my mouth with something that gives me more flavor, but whatever. Okay. Oh, I'm so full. I'm gonna barf after this. What you doing?
Did you do it?
Not yet.
Well, I'm not ready.
Stomach's cramping.
Get your own issue.
I know.
I'm gonna get you some. Some dads. Turn the rest.
Oh no.
Some butter beer.
I'm not gonna have any then.
You said your stomach was cramping.
Right.
Some Shirley Temple.
Dude, you're dead.
This is gonna be worse.
No, I'll mix what's left.
I'm leaving you all the bad flavors.
No.
Big red.
Why?
Little Moxie. Dude, you gotta do the watermelon. The black cherry, it's disgusting.
I can't.
Do it.
No, okay, I'm about to do it.
3, 2, 1! That sounds good, actually.
Not when I have this in my mouth. Oh, it burns.
It tastes extremely good.
My face is so red.
Holy crap. It's sour, isn't it?
That's bad.
Okay, I'm gonna put you some of my mix in there.
Okay, I'll drink that later. I'm sorry, I can't.
Do it now. Now! 1 sip.
Do you want me to barf on you?
1 sip.
No, I'm not barfing it. I don't want to barf at all, so, you know. Ouch. That's helping. What are you doing? taking a shot.
Bottoms up.
Drink the whole thing right now. Chug it.
3, 2.
Chug it.
Wait. I try not to laugh.
Try not to laugh challenge. Intense. Ah!
Fill me up again.
Wait, really?
Yep. Go. That's enough. Doctor.
He's about to drink another shot. Yeah, take it. Another shot of soda, bros. I don't know why I said bros like that. I was. You good? No, mix them. Put that in the soda.
Making some tequilas.
I don't even know what we're doing at this point. This is kind of random. But, you know, seeing our reactions to flavors if you really feel like doing it.
I'm gonna shake it up.
The top of the lid went.
You ready for some ASMR?
Dude, you're gonna spill it on you. Dude, I told you it just squirted out.
That's what the pop filter's for.
Ready? Take it. Take the whole thing right now. Do it. Go on. Oh.
I got extremely sad. I wonder.
Oh man, that makes my stomach hurt just looking at it. Where are you going with that cameraman? What are you?
Hold this up. I'm trying to get it in the trash can. The trash can. Guys, ready? Got a little bit of that. Got it.
It's just showing us what it is.
You guys like my legs?
Randomness.
Alright, guys, ready? Watch.
It's going. It's not doing it.
Oh crap! I got that. Whoa! That's a wrap.
Man.
But can you do this?
No, you can't. Anyway, guys, that'll be the end of today's video. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you're new around here because we make videos and it's cool. And remember to hit the notifications bell thing and share the video to everybody you know that it helps, you know, us. It also helps
We're cool.
more
with
people.
everybody, you know.
It helps more people know
Cause laughter is the best man.
about the occasional video that we make that's actually helpful.
Because laughter is the best medicine, guys. That is Mick
yeah.
Wizard signing off. Love you guys. See you later. Click the notification bell. Turn on notifications. Subscribe before. Like the video. Go subscribe to Blackboard03. Watch more videos of mine because laughter is the best man. Laughter is the best medicine. This is Mick Wizard signing out. Love you guys. See you later. Bye. People that I mentioned.